Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of motorhomes with a detailed look at one of the most exciting upcoming models for 2026, the Thor Motor Coach Pasadena 38XL. This motorhome has been generating a lot of buzz thanks to its blend of luxury, practicality, and impressive performance features. Whether you're an experienced traveler or someone dreaming about hitting the open road in comfort, this model has plenty to get excited about. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Thor Motor Coach Pasadena 38XL makes a strong impression the moment you see it. Built on a Freightliner S2RV chassis, it's designed to balance power, stability, and smooth handling. The front has a commanding presence with bold LED headlights, a sleek grille design, and a modern aerodynamic profile that improves efficiency. At nearly 40 feet in length, the Pasadena 38XL looks substantial but not overly bulky, and it features multiple slide-outs that expand the living space once parked. On the passenger side, you'll notice a large power awning with integrated LED lighting, making outdoor lounging easy day or night. Storage is another highlight, with spacious pass-through exterior compartments designed to carry everything from camping gear to bikes without feeling cramped inside. The overall build quality and finish on the outside give it a luxury coach vibe while still being road trip ready. Now, let's move inside, where the Pasadena 38XL really shines. Step through the entry door, and you're welcomed into a beautifully designed living space that feels more like a high-end apartment than a motorhome. The interior is filled with premium finishes, residential-style furniture, and thoughtful lighting. In the living area, you'll find reclining theater seating, a large sofa, and a massive flat-screen TV positioned perfectly for relaxation. The kitchen is a showstopper, with solid surface countertops, a residential refrigerator, a convection microwave, a 3-burner gas cooktop, and plenty of cabinetry for storage. It's designed for those who want to cook on the road without sacrificing convenience or space. Moving further inside, the bathroom layout is both functional and stylish, featuring a dual-sink vanity, a spacious shower with a glass door, and high-quality fixtures that make it feel like a spa on wheels. The master bedroom in the rear is equally impressive, with a king-size bed, plenty of wardrobe space, and even washer-dryer prep, giving full-time travelers the kind of amenities they truly need. Overhead storage, underbed compartments, and clever design touches mean you won't have to compromise when it comes to bringing along personal items. Performance-wise, the 2026 Pasadena 38XL is powered by a Cummins 6.7L diesel engine paired with an Allison automatic transmission. This setup provides strong towing capability, smooth acceleration, and the endurance to tackle long road trips with ease. The air ride suspension system ensures a comfortable ride, while advanced safety features like collision mitigation, adaptive cruise control, and side view cameras provide added confidence behind the wheel. For anyone who plans on hauling a trailer, vehicle, or toys for adventure, the towing capacity is more than capable of handling the load. Technology hasn't been overlooked either. Inside, the cockpit is driver-focused with a digital instrument cluster, large infotainment screen, and integrated navigation. Wireless phone charging, multiple USB ports, and smart climate controls make it feel just as advanced as modern luxury cars. Passengers benefit from Wi-Fi capabilities, multiple entertainment options, and smart storage solutions that keep everything organized. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Thor Motor Coach Pasadena 38XL is expected to start in the range of $350,000 to $400,000, depending on options and configurations. While that's certainly an investment, it positions itself well against competitors by offering a mix of luxury, cutting-edge features, and strong performance that many motorhomes in this class can't quite match. All in all, the Thor Motor Coach Pasadena 38XL is shaping up to be a top choice for 2026. With its impressive exterior design, luxurious interior, powerful performance, and thoughtful features, it's the kind of motorhome that makes life on the road feel like a 5-star experience. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Thor Motor Coach Pasadena 38XL, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more detailed reviews, and let me know in the comments what you think about this motor home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.